Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today, as you saw from the title, it's the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, and they're versus each other. So basically, I got the original mystery box and the Valentine's mystery box, and I just wanted to see what the difference would be. There was like a bigger one and a smaller one. I got the two smaller ones each time. So as you saw in the thumbnail, this is what they look like. This is the like original mystery box, and this is the like Valentine's Day mystery box. I just wanted to compare the products and see what the difference was and if one's better than the other, or what your guys' thoughts and which one you would have rather had. Now, the mystery boxes are going to be different for everybody. Some people got different products in theirs, but these are what I got in mine. But actually, a couple of the products are different than what some people got in theirs, and I'll explain that in a second. So basically, what I mean is, in the Valentine's mystery box, everything I got in there is what I got. But in the original one, I actually gave one of the items to my cousin because she really loves Jeffree Star just as much as I do. And so I really wanted to give her one of the liquid lips for Christmas, and I had like secretly texted her and was like, which color would you rather wear, the purple one or the orange one? And she said I'd rather wear the orange one, but she didn't know why I was asking, but that's why I was asking. But the thing is, the purple one that I actually had got in my box, I actually already have, and I promised I would give to you guys in a future giveaway, so that's still there, but I'm actually just going to show my one that I already have in here. And also, I did trade out one of my items too, because I got a lip liner, and I didn't get one in my box, but somebody else did, so I had got that from them because they didn't want it. So, yeah, a couple of my items are traded, and one of them I don't have. So that's my explanation on that. So based on the products that I do have from that box and this box, I'm just going to compare and see what we have. I've already opened the original one. I actually lost the footage to me unboxing the original one, so I decided I'd clump them together versus them and everything like that. So none of the original ones are in their packaging, but yeah, I just figured I'd explain that. But the Valentine's one is still in its original packaging, and I can show you guys all that together. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I can't wait to get into it. So definitely let me know down below which one was your favorite and which one you would have rather have gotten. And yeah, so let's just see what we got. So I'm going to go with the original one first. So the first product that I got was the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Mint Condition. A lot of people were upset with the first one because of things like this, where it came with like something that they felt like they couldn't use. But with this highlighter, I learned that if you do like a very super light layer, it doesn't look green or like give you a green cast, or you could use this as eyeshadow. So a lot of people were upset with the first original mystery box because they felt like they got stuff that they couldn't actually use. So Jeffree Star said that he would try to make the second one better, so we'll just see. But that was one of the things that a lot of people were upset about, because they're like, how am I going to use a green highlighter? Well, like I said, you could go in with a really light hand, like a super really light hand, or you could use it as eyeshadow. Or it would even be fun to use for like St. Patrick's Day if you want to go a little crazy and do like some green on your eye or some green on your cheeks, you know, for highlighter and things like that. So, or you could even use it for like a Halloween look, like if you wanted to be like a zombie or something, but like a cute zombie, you could do like really green highlighter. I mean, you just got to be creative with it, but if you aren't like one of those creative people where you're like, yeah, I don't really want to do anything like that, then I would definitely, if you're going to try to use that as like a highlighter, go in with a super light hand, or just use it as eyeshadow. Or if you don't think you're going to use it, just you could sell it online, maybe on like eBay or something like that, or there's like a site called like Mercier or something like that people like to sell their stuff on, and there's like groups on Facebook that sell like makeup and stuff like that, like back and forth. So do all that stuff at your own risk, but that would be my suggestions. Or give it to one of your family members as a gift for Christmas. So that would be my suggestion for some of the stuff that you get in here if you don't feel like you could use it. So I think my favorite product that I got was the liquid lipstick in the shade Can't Relate, because it's like the perfect nude. I love it so much. I love his liquid lipstick formula, and this is like honestly my favorite thing, and I love it so much. So I was really excited to get that. So we also got a lipstick bullet in the shade Baby Spice. It's a really pretty like nudie pink shade. I ended up really liking it. I don't really go for this like kind of lipstick for the most part. I normally like a dry down, but I still really ended up liking that shade and everything. So this was the purple lipstick that I said I would give you guys, and it's in the shade You Better Work. So it's like a purple lipstick. It's a really pretty shade. Love her. The liquid lipstick in the shade Flamethrower, like I said, I don't have, but as you see like right behind me, I have my little equality bundle from Jeffree Star right where my thumb is. I actually have like a mini version of the Flamethrower. It's just like an orange lipstick, like a bright orange, but that isn't with me at the moment. Like I said, I gave it to my cousin for Christmas. And then last but not least, like I said, I got a lip liner. It's in the shade Unicorn Blood, so like it's like a super dark red. Very pretty. Looks really good with like red lips. We got a pop socket. So this is the pop socket that I got. It's like a black pop socket with a pink star for the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo. And that was everything that I got in my original one. Now on to the Valentine's one. So like I said, everything's going to be in its original packaging and we'll be looking at it together. So the first thing I'm grabbing is this lipstick. This is the lip ammo in shade Jeffree's Girl, and it looks just like the other lip, and this is a really bright pink shade. So like I said, since I'm not like a super big fan of regular lipsticks, I may end up giving this away in a giveaway in the future, or maybe to somebody for Christmas or something like that, because I don't want to waste it and it just sit in my drawer. So like I said, I'm not really sure. I may put this in a giveaway or I might give it to a friend. Next, we got something that I think was like one of his like original lipsticks. I don't really remember what his first three were, but this is Watermelon Soda. I know this is one of the like iconic colors that he has in his line that everybody loves. So this is what it looks like. Next, I got this shade Clout, which I'm actually really excited to try. This is the outer packaging, and this is what she looks like. It looks like it's gonna be like a really pretty like metallic purpley shade, so I'm really excited to try that out. I can't wait. I think this was the shade I was like the most excited about when I opened it. I took it out of the box to make sure nothing in there was broken. I kind of wanted to do like a reveal to everybody, but I don't like to do that just in case something's broken so that I can return it. But yeah, so sadly I got something that I already have, which is the Can't Relate again, which I had gotten in my other box, but I do love this. It's amazing. So I'm not going to use this one. I may, like I said with the other lip, put it in a giveaway or give it to a friend. So next I got this Skin Frost in the shade Regina George. Love that. The name is so iconic. That's from Mean Girls if you didn't know. So this is what the packaging looks like. And wha-bam, look at that pink highlight. I mean, that's dark pink. Do you see that? It's like the exact same color as the packaging pretty much. That's crazy. I've never tried this before, but it should be interesting. I'm really excited. Yeah, so can't wait to use that. It should be really pretty, but I'm sure it's the same thing. With the other one, it's probably really pigmented, I'm assuming, because these highlighters are really pigmented and bright. So I would assume with that one, you'd probably want to go in with a light hand also. And last but not least, another pop socket. She cute. It's a red pop socket with a white Jeffree Star logo on it. Since I already have one on my phone, I'm going to keep this one on there. I like this one because it kind of matches my phone almost, because it's a black pop socket and I got a black case. But if that one decides it wants to start falling off, I will definitely switch to this one. So that's exciting that I have a backup. So yeah, that's everything that I got in both of the boxes. I feel like they were both worth it, and I got some things that I can give away to you guys, and I also got some things that I could give to friends and family, but I also got some cool stuff to keep for myself, so that's awesome too. I feel like I definitely have found some like holy grail products in here so far, especially the Can't Relate shade. I can definitely attest that this is like my favorite nude. I was thinking about doing a video about like YouTuber collabs of like stuff that I have from YouTuber collabs and kind of trying to do like almost a full face with them, or just like showing you guys what I have, because I have some stuff from Jeffree Star, of course. Manny, MUA, Laura Lee, Casey Holmes, Patrick Starr, James Charles, Jaclyn Hill, things like that. A couple of the YouTubers that I really like and support. But yeah, so if you guys would want to see me do a video where I like show you guys what I have from them and maybe do like a little tutorial with some of them, definitely let me know if you want to see that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and check out the description box for more information about the video, my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.